All right, it's a lovely day, and can I just ask you to turn to the person next to you and tell them to just say, give yourself love. Beautiful. We are doing this because it is important to remember that we are the most important people in our lives, and love is beautiful, and music is beautiful. So give yourself some love, all right? Yeah, give yourself some love. I learned that the hard way, and it's important to always remember that you are very important. You are the most important person in your life, right? And then everybody else. So always love yourself first, because if you don't love yourself, you pretty much don't have an idea how you can love another person, you know? So it's always like that. But this evening being a musical evening, I still want us to say that phrase again, but in a melodic way, right? So can we try to do something like this? Give yourself love. 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 I can't hear you. Give yourself love. Better. Good. Give yourself love. 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 Right now, I want you to just listen to this and tell yourself you're very important, and forgive yourself if at any time you felt like you did yourself some wrong. Be kind to yourself. You're loved. Give yourself love. Give yourself love. Give yourself love. Give me love, give me love, give me love, give me love, love, heal me, heal me, heal me, heal me, love, heal me, heal me, heal me, heal me, love, heal me, heal me, heal me, heal me, love. Give yourself love. Give yourself love. Give yourself love. Give yourself love, guys.